Hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send the incoming messages or SMS from your iPhone automatically on your Slack channel. Yes, that's right. Let's say you are receiving some important messages or some important OTPs which you have to regularly share with your team members on Slack manually. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate this process. But before we get started with the step-by-step tutorial, let me show this to you with a real-time example. So as you can see, this is my iPhone. Now from my team member's number, just now I have sent a SMS. So we'll just go to the unread SMS and here you can see I have received an SMS which says, hello, your OTP for recent login is this. Thank you. So just now I have received a SMS over here. And using the same automation, you will see automatically within seconds, the same message which we have received will be shared on my Slack channel with my team members. So let me take you to my Slack channel. And that's right. Here you can see on my Slack channel, we have received a message over here which says, hello team, we have a new SMS notification with an OTP. And this is the exact same message. Hello, your OTP for recent login is this, thank you. And we also have the mobile number of the person who has sent us the message as well. So using this simple automation which we are going to create in this video, you can just achieve it. Now let's get started with setting up this automation. So first of all, we have to go to the Shortcuts app on our iPhone and then go to this automation section. Then after that, click on this plus button and we are going to search for messages over here. Just select message and then here you can see when we select message, the first thing it asks us is the sender. Now, if you want to forward the messages from a specific sender to your Slack channel, you can just choose the sender over here from your contacts. Or if you want to forward the messages containing a specific word, in that case, you can use this filter of message contain. So let's say I'm going to set up this automation for OTPs. So I'll just click on this message contain, just click on this choose button, and I'll write OTP over here. So all the messages which are containing the word OTP will be forwarded on my Slack channel. You can basically add any containing word as per your choice. Then after that, it is asking us run after confirmation or run immediately. Now, if you want to confirm that whether this message should be sent to Slack channel or not, you can select this option of run after confirmation. But I want to automate it and I want this automation to run immediately. So I'm going to select this option and click on next. After clicking on next, we have to select that what should be done after receiving the message containing the word OTP. So we want to send the message on our Pabbly Connect workflow. So using a webhook URL which we are going to get from our Pabbly Connect automation workflow, we are going to connect our iPhone with Pabbly Connect. And using Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the SMS on our Slack channel. So to send the message to Pabbly Connect workflow and add the webhook URL over here, select this new blank automation option and then here in search action, we have to search for get contents of URL. Just select this action of get contents of URL. And then here it is asking us for a URL. Now here in this URL field, we have to enter the webhook URL which we are going to get from Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to my Pabbly Connect account and let me show you how you can get the webhook URL. So to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. And here you can see two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. As we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And we have to create an automation workflow over here. Click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name it as SMS from iPhone to Slack. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on create. And as we click on create, here you can see the automation workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now here in the trigger step, what we have to do, we have to select webhook by Pabbly as a trigger event. And after selecting webhook by Pabbly in the trigger step, in trigger event, we are going to select catch webhook. As we select the trigger event as catch webhook, here you can see Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And now we have to add this exact same webhook URL in our iPhone shortcut which we were creating. So we just have to copy this webhook URL from here, and now we will take this webhook URL to our iPhone. So here you can see I have the exact same webhook URL given by Pabbly Connect on my iPhone. Now I'll just copy this webhook URL from here, and then we will go to the same shortcut that we were building. And here after get content of in the URL field, we are going to paste the exact same webhook URL and click on done. Then after that, click on this arrow button, and here you can see two more fields are added. The first thing is method, and in front of method by default it is selected get. We just have to click on this get, and we have to change the method to post. After changing the method, it is asking us for the headers, and we don't have to add any headers over here. You can just keep this field blank. Then in request body, by default it has selected JSON, and we have to keep it. We have three options: JSON, form and file, and we have to select JSON over here. Then it is giving us an option to add the fields. So basically it is asking us that what are the details we want to send to Pabbly Connect using the webhook URL. Just click on this field of add button over here. Just click on this plus button to add the field and give it a key. So I'll just give it a key as message. And then in front of it, whatever data, whatever text or message you want to send to Pabbly Connect, you have to add it. So we have to add a variable over here. So we'll just click on this text field, and above our keyboard, you can see a list of different variables. We will just scroll on it, and we have to select this variable of shortcut input. Then after that, just click on this shortcut input variable, and here you can see a list of all the options that we can send to Pabbly Connect for a new message. You can see all of them. We have message, content, recipient, sender, and name. So we are going to select message over here. After selecting message, click on this plus button and go to text, select text. And then I also want to mention the number of the sender who has sent us the message. So I'll just create a label as from over here. And in front of it, text, we are going to select the same variable of shortcut input. After adding this variable, just tap on the variable and we are going to select sender from here. So here you can see I'm sending two details whenever I receive a message containing the word OTP on my iPhone. I'm sending the actual message, and I'm also sending the sender's mobile number. After adding these two fields, just click on done, and we have successfully created this automation in our iPhone. Now after doing this, what we have to do, I'll just send a dummy message, a test message from my another number containing the word OTP, so that we can capture the response of this automation in our Pabbly Connect workflow. But before doing that, we have to go to our Pabbly Connect automation workflow. So here you can see we are on our Pabbly Connect automation workflow, and we have to click on this recapture webhook response button. After clicking on recapture webhook response, it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. I'll just go to the message app over here on my iPhone. I'll just go to filter, and now from some other phone or from some other number, I'm just going to send a dummy message. So I'm going to send a message over here, and you will see within seconds the same message will be received on my iPhone. And here you can see under unread message, you can see from test user, I have received a message. This is the exact same message which I have shown you in the real-time example earlier. And here you can see in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, in the trigger step, we have received the response. In this response, you can see the exact same message which we have received on our iPhone. Hello, your OTP for recent login is 123456. Thank you. So this was just a dummy message, a test message to capture the response, but you can basically send any message, but you have to ensure that the keyword for which you have created this automation should be added in the message. Also here you can see in front of from, we have the mobile number from which we have received this SMS message. So this means the step 1 of creating this automation between iPhone and Slack is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new SMS from a specific sender or containing a specific word on our iPhone, automatically till now, we have received the SMS message on our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to the next step and let's send this message on our Slack channel. So I'll just click on this action step button over here, and then here in choose app, we are going to search for Slack. Just select it. After selecting Slack, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send channel message. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Slack account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we just have to click on this connect with Slack button. Now here after clicking on connect, it is asking us for the token type. So while building the connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect, we can basically create two different types of connection. Either it can be a user-based connection or a bot-based connection. Now, if you want to learn the difference between a user-based connection and a bot-based connection, here in the help text, you can see this hyperlink. You can just click on this link and it will take you to a page on our forum. And at this page, you will see a complete difference between a user-based token and a bot-based token. Right now, I'm going to set up a bot-based token. So I'm going to write bot over here and click on save. And as we click on save here, you can see this pop-up window will appear in front of us. So because I have already logged into my Slack account in my browser, it has detected the same account. We will just scroll down and click on allow. And as we click on allow, we will see our Slack account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the channel. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the channels which I have in my Slack account. Out of all of this, there's a channel named as SMS notification. On this channel, I want to share or forward the SMS from my iPhone. So here from this dropdown in our Pabbly Connect workflow, I'm going to select the channel on which I want to send the messages. Then it is asking us for the message, that what is the actual message I want to send. So I want my message to be, hello team, we have received a new SMS with an OTP. So this is the kind of message I want to send. I want to add the message over here and then I want to write from over here. So in this way, you can see we have created this message. Hello team, we have received a new SMS with an OTP. And I want to mention the actual message which we have received over here in front of message and mobile number of the person or the sender's name or number in front of from. Now we have received the message and sender details from our iPhone in the trigger step of webhook. So here from this webhook response, we have to send this detail, this response of message and from mobile number to this Slack channel action step. And to do this, we are going to use a process called mapping. And in mapping, what we have to do, we just have to click on this field of message and in front of message over here, what we are going to do, from this drop down here, you can see we have a list of all the responses received from iPhone in the trigger step in the webhook response. And from here, we are going to select the response of message and map it in front of message over here. Then after that, in front of from, we are going to select the response of mobile number and map it to. In this way, whatever details of the incoming SMS we are receiving from iPhone, we can add the same details in this message field of Slack action step. After creating the message, it is asking us image URL and image alt text. So using the same action of Slack, if you want, you can send some images on your Slack channel. But right now, we don't want to send any images. So we are just going to keep this field blank. We are going to ignore these two fields. Then it is asking us for the bot name and bot icon. So if you have created a bot-based connection on our Slack and Pabbly Connect workflow, then in that case, you can basically enter any name of your choice as the bot name. And a bot with the same name will be sending the message on your Slack channel. Let's say I want to name this bot as iPhone. So I have given this name and you can add any image in this bot icon as well. After this here, it is asking us auto expand link, link username and channel name, reply broadcast and thread message ID. So all of these fields are not mandatory, are not required. So you can select any option of your choice or ignore these fields for now. Now after creating the message and mapping all the details, let's click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here with the incoming SMS detail from iPhone, this message is now sent on our Slack channel. So let's check it. We will just go to the same Slack channel. And yes, here you can see from a bot named iPhone, the same bot name which we have entered in our Pabbly Connect workflow over here, a message is sent. The message is, hello team, we have received a new SMS with an OTP. The message is, hello, your OTP for recent login is 123456. Thank you. And we have the exact same mobile number from which we have received the SMS on our iPhone. This means the automation between iPhone and Slack which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever you are going to receive the SMS on your iPhone from a specific person or containing some specific keyword, automatically the same message will be forwarded on your Slack channel and shared with your team members. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation once in real time. Now to test this automation in real time, from some other number, I'm going to send another SMS message on my iPhone with containing the word OTP. So I have sent the message and also we have received the message on our iPhone. And this automation is triggered over here. As you can see, we get the notification. This is the message which says, hello, your OTP for recent transaction is this. Reply stop if this transaction is not initiated by you. So as we receive an SMS containing the word OTP, automatically we will see within seconds, the same SMS will be sent on our Slack channel and shared with our team members. So we will just go to a Slack channel over here, and yes, here you can see just now within seconds, the same message is shared. Hello, your OTP for recent transaction is 98765. Reply stop if this transaction is not initiated by you. And we also have the mobile number from which we have received this SMS on our iPhone. So we have tested this automation in real time between iPhone and Slack, and this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. You will get a clone link of this exact same Pabbly Connect automation in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.